Guess he'll just answer some questions on the internet.
Hi, Creationist Cat.
Hey, girls.
We have a question.
Go for it.
What does cat meat taste like? And what are you doing for Thanksgiving? Bye, everybody. We love you.
Aw, that's a great question, girls. Cat is a very savory meat, kind of like a cross between filet mignon and unicorn. And I don't have any plans yet for Thanksgiving, so if that's an offer...
No, Creationist Cat, it's a trap.
Oh, come on. What's the problem, Jerry the Gerbil?
Well, for starters, they're two girls in a dark room splattered in blood.
Uh-huh. And?
And they want to know what you taste like.
Still don't see where you're going with this one, Jerry.
I'm saying they want to eat you, Creationist Cat.
Oh, come on, Jerry. They're not Asian. I mean, I've heard that about Asians. Very small subsection of the population eats cats from time to time.
Mm-hmm.
It's probably not true. Okay, next question.
Hey CC, here's my question. What position did the Virgin Mary and the Holy Spirit do it in? And did she bleed?
Sorry for blowing up your head, but that was just a really horrible question. And you're gonna burn in hell forever just for posting it. But since you asked, the answer is reverse cowgirl and a little, but just anally. Tech Griffin asks, if a light bulb in heaven burns out, does God change it or fix it with his powers? Aha! That's a trick question. Light bulbs don't burn out in heaven. But hypothetically, if they did, he'd get Schneider to fix it. This is it! This is life, the one you get, so go and have a ball! And our next question is from Empty Without Brain. And what the? It's over 3 minutes. I said keep these questions short, guys. All right, I guess we'll watch it.
Hi, my name is
Oh,
Empty.
God, get on with it already.
In this video, I am going to outline the concept of community cat as Creationist Cat
Oh,
requested.
really? Come
The
on,
definition
man. You
of
gotta say
community
all
has been
this.
debated by sociologists
Newsa
for generations.
Palooza.
Bella Newby
Oh, hey,
describes
pie.
the term community
I
as
want
98
pie.
different
I want
definitions.
pie. I
The most
want
favorable
pie.
model of the concept
Okay, I'm
was
going to give you
constructed by
5
German
seconds to
sociologist
fork over the
called
pie,
Ferdinand
or I'm
Tönnies
moving
in
on.
1955.
1, 2,
His model
3,
explained
4,
by German sociologist
5.
Ferdinand Tönnies.
Next.
19
Hi, Cece. What kind of Christian are you?
You know, people are always trying to pin me down on this one. Well, up until recently, I was a Reformed Seventh-day Baptist Capalia Lutheran Westboro Fried Methoditarian Orthodox Calvinican born-again Protestantinian Presbyterian, but these days I'm just a What an inappropriately timed car crash. Finally, film student wannabe asks, what's the biggest cat cock you've ever seen? Biggest cat cock. Biggest cat cock. Oh, that's easy. It was in Godzilla vs. Mega Cat Cockatron. Holy shit! Look! It's Mega Cat Cockatron!